you wake up inside a foam prison. Not a nest, not anything soft. A hard little case stuck to a branch, filled with dozens of tiny bodies that all look exactly like you. You do not know this yet, but this is called an egg case. To you, it is the whole universe. It is dry, it is tight, it is full of legs, and then one day, something in your body says, now. You push, the wall splits, light comes in, and suddenly, you are falling out of your first home with 100 brothers and sisters. You are smaller than a grain of rice, soft, pale, almost transparent. Your legs do not feel ready. Your eyes do not feel ready. Nothing feels ready. But the world does not wait for you to feel ready. You land on the branch, you unfold yourself, and the first lesson of being a praying mantis arrives immediately. Some of your siblings are already hungry. Skip forward. You were born into a family where nobody is really family. There are too many of you. Too many legs. Too many mouths. Too many tiny hunters on the same branch. For a few seconds, it almost looks peaceful. 100 little mantises standing in the sunlight, all thin and delicate like tiny green pieces of grass. Then one turns, then another, one sibling bumps into another sibling. One grabs, one bites, and just like that, the branch becomes a battlefield. You do not understand horror yet. You only understand movement, and movement means food. A smaller sibling crawls past you. Your front legs twitch. You grab before you even think. Your arms are not normal arms. They are traps, folded blades, spiked cages, built for one job. Catch something, hold it still, eat it before it escapes. The tiny body struggles between your legs. You bite. This is your first meal. It is also your brother. There is no music, no guilt, no lesson, just hunger. And now there is one less mantis on the branch. Skip forward. You leave the egg case behind. Not because you are brave, because staying there means being eaten by someone who looks exactly like you. The garden is enormous. A blade of grass is a tower. A flower is a building. A drop of water is a lake. A human would need to crouch down and squint to even notice you. But at your size, everything notices you. Spiders wait in corners, ants patrol the stems. Birds land above you like living thunder. Even the wind can ruin your day. A small gust hits the plant. The whole world shakes. You grab the stem with all your legs and hold on. You are a predator, technically. But right now, you are also a snack with elbows. Skip forward. You learn the only strategy that keeps you alive. Do nothing. That sounds easy. It is not. Doing nothing is your whole career. You stand on a leaf. You raise your front legs. You sway gently in the breeze. Left, right. To anything watching, you are not an animal. You are a piece of plant having a weird day. This is your disguise. Not speed, not strength, patience. You wait while flies pass. You wait while gnats drift. You wait while a beetle walks close enough to smell like dinner, then turns away for no reason. You do not chase. Chasing is for animals with better plans. You are an ambush, a green little accident waiting to happen. Then a fly lands near you, too close. Your head turns first, slowly, carefully. Your eyes lock onto it. You are one of the few insects that can turn your head like this, and it makes you look thoughtful. You are not thoughtful. You are measuring murder distance. The fly rubs its legs together. It has no idea. Your body stays still. Your front legs stay folded. Then the fly moves one step closer. Your arms shoot forward. For the fly, it is over before it knows the game started. For you, this is the best moment of your day. You hold it in your spiked legs. It buzzes, it kicks, it tries to become a blur. But you are stronger than you look. You start eating while it is still moving. This is normal for you. This is why the garden does not trust you. Skip forward. You grow, but insects do not grow the way soft animals grow. Your skin does not stretch forever. Your body gets bigger inside a suit that is becoming too small. So one day, you stop eating. You hang from a stem. Your body goes quiet, and then your back splits open. Not gently, not comfortably. It cracks. Your old skin opens like a broken costume, and you slowly pull yourself out of yourself. First, the head, then the chest, then the legs. One by one, if one leg gets stuck, it can dry wrong. If your body falls, you can die. If an ant finds you like this, you cannot fight back. You are a predator that temporarily becomes wet noodles. For a while, you just hang there, soft, pale, helpless. Your new body needs time to harden. Your new legs need time to work. Your new skin needs time to become armor. And during that time, every tiny thing around you is suddenly a threat. A spider would not have to be clever. A bird would not have to be fast. Even another mantis would not have to try very hard. You wait. There is nothing else you can do. Eventually, Your body hardens. You step away from your old skin. It hangs behind you, empty and perfect, like a ghost shaped exactly like you. You are bigger now, which means you can eat bigger things, which also means bigger things can see you better. Congratulations. Skip forward. You are older. Your body is green now, or brown, or somewhere in between, depending on the world you were born into. You look like a leaf, or a twig, or a mistake in the plant. Your eyes are huge. Your head turns like it is attached by curiosity. Your front legs fold together under your face, which makes humans call you praying. That is funny. You are not praying. You are waiting for something small enough to make a bad decision. A moth lands. You take it. A cricket jumps too close. You take it. A bee slows down at the wrong flower. You take it. You are not fast all the time. You are fast once. That is the trick. Most of your life is stillness. Then one tiny explosion. Then chewing. You become good at this. Too good. And being good makes you confident. Confidence is dangerous when you are shaped like a snack. A shadow crosses the leaf. You freeze. A bird lands nearby. Its eye is bigger than your whole head. It tilts its face. You sway like a leaf. Left, right, left, right. The bird watches. You are suddenly very committed to being a plant. For one long second, it works. Then the bird pecks the leaf beside you. The whole stem shakes. You almost fall. You run. Not gracefully. Mantises do not look heroic when they run. You look like a handful of sticks trying to leave a crime scene. You drop into the grass and vanish. The bird misses. This time, skip forward. You survive long enough to become an adult. This is supposed to be the successful part. You have wings now. You are stronger. Your body is complete. You have survived sibling spiders, birds, bad motes, wind, hunger, and your own terrible childhood. Now the world gives you one final mission. Find a mate. This is where things become stupid. Because if you are female, you are bigger, hungrier, heavier, full of eggs that need food. If you are male, you are smaller, lighter, and about to make one of the worst romantic decisions in nature. You smell her before you see her. A chemical signal in the air. A message that says, come closer. Every instinct in your body believes this is a good idea. Every survival lesson you have ever learned should disagree. She is standing on a stem still. Calm. Beautiful in the way something with knives for arms can be beautiful. You approach from behind. Slowly, carefully. One step, then another. If she sees you too early, she might decide you are not a partner. She might decide you are lunch. The difference matters a lot to you. You climb onto her back. For a moment, it works. The ancient plan continues. Your body knows what to do. Her body knows what to do. The garden keeps moving around you like this is normal. Then her head turns. Slowly, too slowly, she looks at you. You freeze. This is not the look of love. This is the look she gave the cricket. Sometimes the male escapes. Sometimes he does not. Sometimes she bites his head off and the body keeps going anyway because insect bodies are terrible little machines that do not always stop when they should. It is not romantic, it is efficient. If she eats him, the eggs may get more food. And in your world, that is almost a compliment. Skip forward. You are a female now, full of eggs and hunger. Everything you eat becomes the future. Flies, moths, beetles, the unlucky male. It all becomes fuel. You find a branch, you press your body against it, and slowly you build the same kind of foam case you were born from. A soft, bubbling mass that hardens in the air. Inside it are your eggs. Dozens of them. Maybe hundreds. Tiny lives sealed away before they know what a leaf is. You do not tuck them in. You do not stay to explain the rules. There are too many rules anyway. Do not move unless you must. Move faster than food. Look like a plant. Never trust your siblings. Never trust hunger. Never trust love. Never molt where ants can find you. Never assume the bird believes you are a leaf. Never stand too close to anything with folded arms. You leave the egg case on the branch. The season changes. The air cools. Your body slows down. You were never built for forever. You were built to survive long enough to make the next hidden foam prison. That is the deal. Not fair. Not kind. Just old. One day you stop moving. Maybe on a stem. Maybe under a leaf. Maybe after one last meal you almost caught. The garden does not pause. The flies keep flying. The birds keep watching. The spiders keep waiting. And on a branch nearby, your egg case sits quietly through the cold. Inside, the tiny bodies wait in the dark. They do not know you. They do not know the garden. They do not know that some of them will be eaten before their legs even work properly. They do not know that their arms are traps, that their skin will split, that their meals will fight back, that love can have teeth. They only know that one day, something in their bodies will say now. The wall will split, light will come in, and 100 tiny hunters will fall into the world.